The line is getting shorter, but certainly the frustrations here are not running out. This is the line now at Southwest. It's gotten significantly better from when we were first starting here this morning at about 3 a.m. If we could show you guys some of that video, we're going to speed it up so you can see just how long it wraps around even a portion of the terminal as people were waiting. A lot of the passengers tell us this all started with de-icing issues last night. They got out onto the tarmac. They waited hours to get their planes de-iced, their crews timed out. Some of them went through 3 rounds of co-pilots only to then deboard, spend the night at the airport, getting straight in line and spending more than 5 hours waiting to get rebooked. We spoke with one woman who's just desperate to get to Kansas City to see her son before he deploys.
Traveling to Kansas City to see my son who is deploying, and all I wanted to do was get there and put my arms around him. That's all I wanted to do. And I'll wait until 7:30 tomorrow night to do that.
We checked in with DIA about these de-icing issues, and they say that the airlines themselves are in charge of de-icing the planes. We've contacted Southwest trying to get some answers as to why there were all these delays last night, as well as these scheduling issues with pilots. At this point, we have not heard back. In the meantime, if you are headed out to the airport, make sure you check your flight status, because some airlines, especially one like Southwest that had all those cancellations, it can take them some time to get caught up, and that can mean some delays. In Denver,